That's a happy ending.
Or is it?
Because everything's over now. And all that's left is you and the infinite void.